Here's silver. Silver, according to the wave count that we have used up to now, taking this on the daily, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. So we are in the fourth wave. Fourth wave could be still ongoing. It could be, believe it or not, that it's over. I think that I wouldn't be surprised to see it spending a bit more time around here. The rebound that we have seen recently in silver, in the Australian dollar, US dollar, in gold notably, is obviously bullish. Bullish forces are still to be reckoned with here. The decline on the daily from this level appears to me to have struck possibly an ABC here, with this being an A, that's a B, that's a C. It's not, I wouldn't say this is high confidence. We are probably going down this road. I do need more price action to go by, because there are quite a few alternatives that are also viable. I don't want to rush and put fixed labelings here. So I would urge some caution here short term as to the precise wave count, but I have no doubt that what's happening here is corrective, and to some extent also sending quite a bit of quite good message of strength, what we are seeing here. I was in the opinion that it might actually go down to check 15.2, and you can see it didn't do that. That doesn't mean it's not going to do that. It's still possible that it will do that. Yes, when a market doesn't do what you think, don't think it's not going to do it. It's possible that your time is simply off by a bit, but it could come back. So for example, that could turn into your A, and that is a possible prolonged A, B, C, D like that, and then it'll do that. Okay, we will only know that the correction is completely behind us once we get a short, clear short above this level, which comes at 16.2. Let's put it at 16.2, 16.19. Okay, then we would go back and say, yeah, our E leg, our fourth wave is done. We're looking up. That will be the sensible thing to do. Let's have a look now at gold. Gold absolutely surged here. That's the 5 minutes. Gold, in my opinion, is close to giving us an important signal, but I wouldn't want to say at this point that we are definitely going to get it, because I much rather let Mr. Market decide than I decide for Mr. Market. So that means we have to exercise a bit more patience here. The whole point, in my opinion, rests on gold being able to actually close above the line here. Let me just make it really clear. That is 1327. Okay, so it's got to really shoot above this level and just sit around here. That'll be enough of a signal that the correction is behind us. At that point, if that happens, yeah, and I'm not going to decide for Mr. Market, but if that happens, then I would go with this being an ABC. A, B, C complete. We did have a deep under this level, really not substantial. We can work out an argument that we have 5 legs going down from this spot. So yes, you can say that you had an A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your A, that's your B, that's 5 legs. But for all intents and purposes, of course, it looks like it's really short. It's very much on the short side. Yes, if we compare what we had here to what we had here, you will be excused for wondering if this is the right scale. That is the reason why I don't want to rush with the conclusion that we do have an ABC here complete, and that is destined now to fly above this level. However, we might not have to wait for long, just 1 or 2 days. Perhaps if it does fly above this level, dollar index taking a sharp dive, Australian dollar, US dollar lifting its head, beginning to run above that critical level that I showed you earlier, and we are all set. That's it. Also, silver will do its own bit there, and we will start looking up. Once it closes this level, don't look back. It will continue to power ahead for quite a bit of time. However, if it fails to climb above this level, and it struggles and begins to come down, and I would say if you follow it very closely, here's the 30 minutes. Let's go to the 50 minutes. You see, that could be taken as an AB. Then that could be taken as a 1, 2. 3, 4, 5 would still keep it under the critical level. Okay, so you could end up having an ABC here. If it comes back and it crashes, I would say under this level, which is 1314.4, I would say it's fair chance that it's going to continue down towards 13,302. And in the process, it will send you a signal. It will tell you that we are still within that correction. The fourth wave, it's not over. The B will probably end here, and then we will go down for that C. So this is the view that I have currently concerning gold. I remain quite bullish on gold. I think that all the signs are looking healthy. We have checked this past week also some major gold stocks. Yeah, we looked at Kinross Gold. I'll take another look at Kinross Gold later on. We looked at Barrick Gold. Yes, we get some good healthy signals both for the short term and the longer term price action. Gold is looking up together with silver as far as I'm concerned.